The Spofec Overdose badge has been used on numerous Rolls-Royce projects in the past, and it's also the designation of this very special Wraith. Limited to only 3 examples, the tuned Wraith Black Badge has them all: a custom body kit, new wheels, revised suspension and extra power. We'll start by the latter, which has been boosted to 717 PS and 986 Nm of torque. Thanks to the N-Tronic module with special mapping for the injection and ignition and increased boost pressure, the car can now hit 100 km/h in 4.2 seconds. The stock twin-turbo 6.6-liter V12 engine pumps out 632 PS and 870 Nm. The murdered-out Wraith Black Badge sports wider front and rear fenders with air intakes that help cool the brakes, new bumpers at both ends to go with them, said to reduce airlift at high speeds, and discreet trunk lid spoiler. The wheels come from Vossen and measure 9.5 x 22 inch at the front and 10.5 x 22 inch at the rear, wrapped in 265 35ths and 295 30ths tires respectively. The final upgrade of the car is a control module for the air suspension that can lower the ride height by around 40 mm at speeds up to 140 km/h. Beyond that, the Wraith Black Badge returns to its standard ground clearance automatically. At request, Spofec, whose name comes from the first letters of the Spirit of Ecstasy, can tune the cockpit of the luxury model at the customer's request. Pricing doesn't really matter to anyone who can afford a Rolls, so interested parties will have to reach out to the tuner to find out how much it costs.